Hello, I'm Darla Boljat, and my company is DK Boljat LLC now. I just switched from a corporation, but that's not the point. What I was going to show you was how I clean my brushes. So I just got done finishing well, almost finishing. I might do a little bit more shadow. This painting of Glen Eden Beach, Oregon, which I have shorts of, little short videos of in my shorts. I'm going to put this over here, and I'll show you cleaning brushes. So cleaning brushes, I don't use paint thinner unless they're really bad. I use, let's see if I can get this to focus. On down, there we go. I use this oil, and I buy this at Blick Art Supply or Jerry's Artarama. And I get this and I put it into a carton or container that I have. So like this one is a container that's sealed. I can shut it, and I just cleaned it out and I put the walnut oil in here. So what I do is once I get done painting, I make sure and wipe off the excess paint. So I've got all the brushes here I was using. I wipe off the excess paint. You can do them one at a time too. You don't have to multitask, but I'm just wiping off the paint. And then I'm gonna put them in the oil. Let's see, put them in the oil. Let's see if I can get that. Get a few of them at a time, maybe. I'm gonna do that. You don't have to. Like I said, you can do them one at a time. And I'm just gonna wipe them off. And then I also use Masters brush soap. So I can show you that in just a second here. So see all that oil paint coming off? That's just from the walnut oil being rubbed on it. Now this rag needs to be disposed of in water, like a metal container, an old paint container. You can buy them at the hardware store. And you just put that in there and throw it away or dispose of it that way. So anyway, I'm gonna get this. See, there's more green paint on that. And the oil is just helping me get that all off of there. Yeah, there we go. I might need a little bit more. Come on, there we are. Helps to talk to it too, so. Okay, so I've got a little bit more brushes to clean up right here. These guys are pretty bad. Get those cleaned up. So they've got the oil on them, and yeah, like I said, I've already wiped off the excess paint, so don't have to worry about that. And then I'm gonna grab the brush soap that I use, so you can see that. But you can see all this extra oil paint that came off of the brushes, which makes it really easy to clean them later. But then I use this, and I take it over to the sink, and I rinse these off, and I put them into the soap, rub them in the soap. So we can just take it, and I'll do it right now. Just rinse them off real quick, bear it back. And then they go right into the soap. So I'm gonna put them right in the soap. And this is a newer container of soap. You just rub them in the soap like that and get them pretty much covered. And I'm gonna get that. There we are. I'm just rubbing them. I'm not really pushing down. I'm just putting them in a circle. Those guys are pretty good. And then I'm gonna just clean them off a little bit with my fingers. And I'm using gloves because this is oil paint. And I also shut the oil, you know, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I put the lid on the oil right as soon as I was done with it because I don't want to sit there and breathe the fumes from it. I don't know if it's bad to do that, to breathe it. I just know that I don't choose to do that. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off most of the soap, and then I'm gonna rinse. After that, I would rinse these in water. And if they're not clean enough, I do it again. They come out on the paper towel with a little bit of oil paint, then I just do it again. And that's how I clean my brushes. See all that? That's coming off with the soap and water. So I know that oil and water do not mix, but we're doing it in two separate times. So they're not like, we're not mixing it together. Okay, these guys just need to be rinsed off. They should be fine. And again, I'll dispose of this in a bag with water, or in a can with water, a metal can with water. You can kind of see that right there. That's gonna have to go through again. But I'm gonna go rinse it off, and then I'll do this, I'll do it again. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope you like this video and follow my channel. Thanks. And it's at DK Boljat Okay, thanks for watching.